Namaste to everyone. I am Yogi Himanshu, and today through this video we are gonna quickly talk about what is the depression. So, especially in this modern lifestyle, due to too much hectic schedule, most of us are suffering from depression. Somebody has depression of something, somebody has depression of somewhat, somebody is depressed because he's poor, somebody is depressed because he is rich but his physical health is not good, and somebody is depressed of something else. So in this modern time, due to this fast lifestyle, this depression topic has become a very wide topic. So the best way to come out from the distraction, first we have to understand the life. First we have to value whatever we have. First we will have to appreciate whatever we have. The moment we start appreciating and the moment we stop running behind those things which are absolutely illusion, which are not in our hand, which are not with us, we will be able to easily make out the way from the depression, and we will start appreciating every small thing with us. We will start appreciating life within us. We will start appreciating our hands, our legs, our tongue, our thoughts, and so on. Yes, we understand and we know all of us go through with so many problems. But can we come out from the problems if we are into the problems? We all know it's not possible. If you want to come out from the problems, we have to hold up something and we have to appreciate that. Only then we can come out from the problems. So depression is absolutely like this. Best thing, first start appreciating whatever you have. Whatever you have this body, you have this life, you have a small home, you have little food to eat, you have two brothers, sisters, and a small community, parents, whatever there is, appreciate it first and enjoy it, experience it. The moment we start doing it, we get very deep vision of the life, and we become very humble and we become very blessed towards everything. So if you want to come out from the depression can be any kind. The best practice is start appreciating whatever you have. The moment we start appreciating, we find the way to come out from the things. So whenever now onward, whenever we get depressed, just look at yourself and look at all those things which we have, and you will definitely find a lot there to appreciate. Thank you so much for listening. This is a simple practice we are delivering to you. We are not putting so much masala. Okay, it's basic. We can do it anywhere, anytime, and these are the inner values which we should always practice if you want to appreciate, if you want to understand life, if you want to live the life. We cannot live the life by being rich. We cannot live the life by being poor. We can only live the life by appreciating whatever there is in our hands and forgetting and letting go whatever we don't have. Thank you so much for listening. Stay safe, stay healthy. This is great practice. Practice it. Appreciate whatever you have, your breath, your body, your fingers, your legs, people around you, food you get, people you meet with, you go to the market, whatsoever. Appreciate it, and there will be no space for any problem for any depression. Thank you so much. Namaste.